Hey everybody, in today's video, I have an exciting update to share with you regarding a new policy that USCIS has put into effect regarding applicants for naturalization and a certain new benefit that USCIS is providing to applicants for naturalization that are having their green card expire. I'm gonna get all into that in today's video, so make sure to stick around. Hey everyone, my name is Michael Ashoori and I'm a US immigration lawyer based in Los Angeles, California. At my law firm, we regularly post videos to make sure that you're up to date with the latest immigration news and to provide you with helpful immigration tips. So as I mentioned in today's video, I'm gonna cover a new policy that USCIS has put into place regarding applications for naturalization. That's basically applications for citizenship, people that are applying to naturalize to become US citizens. This policy specifically has to do with how applicants for naturalization in certain circumstances are no longer going to have to apply to renew their green card, because the application for naturalization, the receipt notice that's received when one files the application for naturalization, will act to extend the green card. Now, take a look at my screen. We're going to go through this policy update together, and then I'm going to explain it a little further. So we're on the USCIS website, and this is an article that's dated December 9th, 2022. It says here, USCIS updates policy to automatically extend green cards for naturalization applicants. And it says, effective December 12th, 2022, USCIS is updating the USCIS policy manual to allow USCIS to automatically extend the validity of permanent resident cards, commonly called green cards, for lawful permanent residents who have applied for naturalization. This update is expected to help naturalization applicants who experience longer processing times because they will receive an extension of lawful permanent resident status and may not need to file Form I-90 application to replace permanent resident card. Lawful permanent residents who properly file Form N-400 application for naturalization may receive this extension without regard to whether they filed Form I-90. USCIS will update the language on Form N-400 receipt notices to extend green cards for up to 24 months for these applicants. The receipt notice can be presented with the expired green card as evidence of continued status, as well as identity and employment authorization under List A of Employment Eligibility Verification, if presented before the expiration of the 24-month extension period provided in the notice. So as you can see from that article that we just went over, USCIS has implemented a new policy so that if somebody files their application for naturalization, that is their application to naturalize to become a US citizen, from December 12th, 2022 and onward, then USCIS is implementing this new policy where the receipt notice that one gets when they file their naturalization application, the receipt notice that they receive following submission of that application, will have special language in the receipt notice itself that will act to extend the lawful permanent resident's green card, and it will specifically act to extend the lawful permanent resident's green card for 24 months from the date of the expiration of the green card. For example, let's say somebody is planning to apply for naturalization, but their green card is going to be expiring in 6 months. So when they file their application for naturalization, the receipt notice that they get back from that application will act as an extension of their green card for 24 months from the date of the expiration of that green card. So that means that even if the naturalization application takes longer than 6 months to process, so now technically that lawful permanent resident's green card is now expired, they can present that expired green card along with the receipt notice of the naturalization application as proof of their lawful permanent resident status. So ultimately, this is great because what it's doing is it's helping green card holders that are applying for naturalization. It's creating a system where a green card holder doesn't have to go through these additional hurdles of filing an application to renew their green card, which can be expensive, and it's a whole other application that they would have had to file. And USCIS is basically allowing certain lawful permanent residents to avoid the need to file the Form I-90 through this new policy. So again, great news all around. Hope you found this video helpful. If you know anybody that can benefit from this information, feel free to share this video with them. As always, we're all about empowering you with knowledge, so the more people that can watch this video that can benefit from this information, the better. As always, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.